Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering the right cable. Modern Fortuner units support wired or wireless CarPlay. Once done, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on your iPhone and keep it unlocked. Plug in an Apple-certified Lightning cable if using wired CarPlay. If wireless, put the head unit into CarPlay pairing mode and make sure the car's Wi-Fi is active. You're initiating a secure connection, so be ready to accept pairing prompts and select CarPlay on the Fortuner screen. Next, on the Fortuner's infotainment, choose Apple CarPlay, phone projection, or smartphone connection. This triggers the handshake. Then check your iPhone for a prompt asking to allow CarPlay while locked and to trust the car. Tap Allow and Trust so future connections are seamless. For wireless setups, you'll verify a Bluetooth code and then join the vehicle's Wi-Fi. For wired setups, the cable should auto-recognize. Make sure Do Not Disturb while driving is configured how you prefer before using CarPlay. Finish by customizing the CarPlay layout on your iPhone so your main apps are front and center. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow CarPlay, and select the Fortuner. Test audio, Siri, maps, and call quality, making small adjustments to volume and microphone position. If something fails, first swap to a certified cable or disconnect and reconnect, then reboot your iPhone and the car's head unit. If problems persist, reset the infotainment network settings or update the Fortuner firmware and iOS to ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.